Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming funds and market access. You need a funded Zerodha account and Kite logged in. Once done, pick the segment, equity or F&O, and choose the correct product type. CNC for delivery, MIS or NRML for intraday and carry. Next, search the stock or option symbol, open the market depth to check bids and offers, and decide order type. Market for speed or limit for price control. Make sure to set quantity aligned with lot size or minimum share constraints. Now you place and manage the trade. First, pick market when you need instant execution or limit to control entry price. Use SLM or stop loss to guard against sudden moves. If intraday, select MIS for leverage and remember to square off or Zerodha will auto-square certain positions. Once order is live, watch the order book and position tracker. If partially filled, you can modify remaining limit price or cancel and re-enter. Use GTT to automate future limit orders and reduce screen time. Finish trades deliberately. Plan your exit with a target and stop loss, and once target hits, close with a limit or market sell to realize profit. For options and futures, watch expiry and mark-to-market margins. Roll or close before penalties apply. If an order fails or shows pending, first verify internet and app status, then check order ID and exchange status. If unresolved, contact Zerodha support with screenshots and order ID. One troubleshooting tip: reconfirm margins and available funds before.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.